Hey folks, it's Chris Boylan from Acoustics, and I'm here with Sony's new ULT Power Sound line. This is the ULT FIELD 1, and it's a wireless Bluetooth speaker that can be paired in stereo mode if you want to listen in stereo, or it can be listened on its own. And we're going to unbox it and take a closer look. Okay, here it is, the ULT Power Sound, ULT FIELD 1. And we're going to open that up. And here on the box there's a QR code in case you have any trouble setting it up. Shouldn't be a problem though. It does work via standard Bluetooth with any Bluetooth device. Okay. Take this little guy out. And see the treasures inside. Aha! So yes, it's a Sony, I told you. And what makes this different from its predecessor is the ULT button for ULT Power Sound, which is supposed to give it a nice bass boost. So we'll power it up, and we'll bring the phone in, turn on Bluetooth. ULT FIELD 1 is connecting. And we'll give you a little bit of music. Gates were open for Let's see what this ULT Power Sound is all about. Okay, so it does give quite a bit of boost to the very low bass. A couple of things to keep in mind. It is fine outside. It's IP67 rated, which means it's both waterproof or not waterproof, water resistant, dust resistant, and it's also rust resistant. So any of the metal parts in the drivers should be fine, even if you bring it to the beach. Also, the speaker can be paired with the second one in stereo mode through the Sony app. So if you want to listen in stereo, you can have one on each side of your desk, for example, and listen to music in actual stereo. The speaker can be placed upright, vertically, in addition to horizontally. And it has a charging port here on the back or the side, depending on which way you're looking at it, charging via USB-C. So there you have it. It's a $129 retail. It's selling now this spring, and it's part of Sony's ULT Power Sound line.
Thank you to our sponsor, Q Acoustics. From the affordable but high-performance 3000i series to the new advanced 5000 range through to the high-end Concept family. Make Q Acoustics your entry point, your next sonic step up, or your end-all for your hi-fi and music listening journey.